Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Ke Sangma Ulayathu Bakidan Khatsan Hadu Khat Prangut Kibala Ïohpdiang Laisen Banti Dewïong Bakidan Katu Kat Ningut Kibala Ya Chakmat Banpa Ekurukom Ti Dewïong Ni Ka Mining Plan Hakaktian Pareng Konrad Ulayathu Bakajing Pen Kriya Banti Dewïong Katkum Kani Kajuk Bamenta Kalaya Chakmat Barkiladan Kibri Kibala Tab Iki Application Jumki Banyo Yaki Laisen.
The process for legal mining in terms of scientific mining, the process is already on. There are a large number of organized individuals, miners, who have already applied for prospecting license, and they have received it also, almost about 15 or 18 of them. And some of them have also gone ahead and they have submitted their mining plan, which will then get approval from different agencies, and then scientific mining process can also start. So the process is already on, and based of course on the Supreme Court ruling. It came out in July 2019. All these steps have been initiated, and let's hope that we will see some of the mining licenses come out earlier than expected. So we are keeping our fingers crossed, but the process is a very complicated process. So we'll wait and watch, but the process is on.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.